Guys, again welcome to my study channel, Study Special with Cases. Now go for next section. I am describe about the factor and multiple. Here given digit is 6. Then for factor किन दो संख्या को मल्टीपल करने से 6 आता है? किस किस संख्या को मल्टीपल करने से 6 आता है? 1 into 6 6, 2 into 3 3, 2 into 3 6. Then arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means पहले छोटा उसके बाद बड़ा. 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6. Then these are the factor of 6. Understand what is the factor? What is the multiple of 6? Multiples of 6 means 6n. Multiple of 6 means 6n. N equal to 1 to infinity. Understand? 1 into 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18. That's like infinity. Remember, multiple of 6 is infinity number, but factor of 6 is in limit, some limit. Similarly, take 24. 1 into 24 24, 2 into 12 24, 3 into 8 24, 6 into 4 24. Then arrange in ascending order 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. That is all are the factor of 24. Understand what is the factor? किन दो संख्या को मल्टीपल करने से 24 आता है, वो है हमारा फैक्टर. And what is the multiple of 24? 24n. N equal to 1 to infinity. Understand? Then go for proper factor. Proper factor means factor always less than given number. Example, given number is what? Given number is 6. Factor of 6, 1 2 3 4. Then proper factor. What is the proper factor? Proper factor means the factor which is less than 6. Which is less than 6. 1 is less than 6, so 1. 2 is less than 6, so 2. 3 is less than 6, then 3. But 6 is equal to 6, so not 6 not is a proper factor of 6. Then go for another example, 24. What are the factor of 24? 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. What is the proper factor of 24? Proper factor of 24, what is its mean? It means factor less than 24. Among these, which are the less than 24? 1 2 3 4 6 8 12. Understand? Then these are the proper factor of 24. These are the factors of 24. Understand? And understand what is the difference of factor and proper factors? Then go for perfect number. Perfect number means sum of proper factor is equal to given number. Let's see. Given number is 6. Proper factor of 6, what? 1 2 3. These 3 are the proper factor of 6. Sum of proper factor 1 plus 2 plus 3, that equal to 6. So sum of the proper factor is equal to given number. That is called perfect number. Here 6 is the proper factor and its sum is equal to 6. Then 6 is a proper factor. Okay. Then example for 24. Its proper factor are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12. Sum of proper factor 1 2 3 3 3 6 6 10 10 12. Then what is its sum? That is 36. But here 24 not equal to 36, so 24 is not a perfect number. Understand? Then go for another example, 28. What is the proper factor of 28? 1 2 3 4 6 4, 7, 14, 20. These are the factors. What are the proper factor? Proper factor means less than 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. Then add it 6, 6, 20, 28, 28. Then sum of proper factor equal to the 28. So 28 is a perfect number. Understand? Similarly, there is 4 perfect number. What are that? That's are 6, 28, 416, 81828. These 4 only the perfect number. Okay. Then go for abundant number. What is the abundant number? The sum of proper factor is greater than given number. If given number is 18, what are the proper factor? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the proper factor. Then find its sum. Sum is what? This is 6. 9, 9, 9, 18, 18, 3, 21. And 21 is greater than 18. So it is a abundant number. What is the deficient number? Deficient number is sum of proper factor less than given number. Given number is 15. The factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Proper factor is 3. Sum is 5, 3, 8, 1, 9. 9 is less than 15. It is called deficient number. Okay. Then go for triangular number. What is the triangular number? If I arrange in a triangular shape, then how many point is required? One point is always, I can tell it is a shape of square, it's shape of triangle. One point means anything, any shape of is contained in this shape. So 1 is always a triangular number, or also a rectangular number, or also a square number. So 1 is first. Then go for second. For second, it's required 3 number. Then third, it's required 6 number. In fourth, how many? Then there is a formula. What is the formula? N into n plus 1. And n into n plus 1 by 2. For T4th, 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, that equal to 10. So 10 number of point is required. Then what will be its shape? In this way. Understand? Then go for prime number. What are the prime number? Prime number have only 2 distinct factors. What are they? One is one of them, and another is itself. Then what are the factor of 2? 1 and 2. Factor of 3? 1, 3. Factor of 9? 1, 3, 9. 1, 2, 5, 10. 1 and 11. According to the definition of prime number, there is 2 factor. Only which number have only 2 factor, that is called prime number. 2 have 2 factor, 3 have 2 factor, 11 have 2 factor. So 2, 3 and 11 are prime number, and these are which number? Composite number. What is the composite number? Composite number means, what is composite number? Composite number means more than 2 factor. What? More than 2 factors. Understand? What is the prime number and what is the composite number means? Prime number means 2 factor. Composite number means more than 2 factor. Prime number is 2 factor. Between इन 2 factor में क्या क्या है? एक 1 होगा, another that's number itself. That number itself. Understand? ये सब याद रखो. 1 के 50 के बीच 15 प्राइम नंबर है. 1 से 100 के बीच 25 प्राइम नंबर है. देखते हैं. 0 to 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19. 20 to 30, 23, 29, 31, 37. 40 to 50, 41, 43, 47. 50 to 60, 53, 59. 60 to 70, 61, 67. Such type, there is 25 prime number in between 1 to 100. Then there is 46 prime number 1 to 200. Okay, these are some bit question. You have to remember all this. Listen, smallest prime number in that series, what is? 2 is the smallest prime number. Even prime number 2 also. 2 is only one even, that is prime number. इसके अलावा और कोई इवन नंबर नहीं है जो कि प्राइम नंबर हो सकता है. ओके, स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट प्राइम नंबर 101. लार्जेस्ट 3 डिजिट प्राइम नंबर 907. स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट प्राइम नंबर 1009. And these three you have to remember. 1001 divisible by 13. 1003 divisible by 17. 1007 divisible by 19. Okay. Then, how to find a number is a prime or not? Given number is prime or not? What is the procedure? Let's n is a given number. We check for divisibility of any number with all the prime numbers before the square root. Let's some example. Given number is 144 and ask us, is it prime or not? Is it prime or not? This is the question for us. Then root of 144 is, we know, 12. First process, first step. Second step is less than 12. Less than 12, what are the prime number? What are the prime number? 1 to 12 have, what are the prime number? 2 is a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the prime number less than 12. We have to take divisibility test for 144. First 144 divide 11, not divisible. 144 divide 7, not divisible. 144 divide 5, not divisible. 144 divide 3, divisible. What? Divisible. 144 divide 2, divisible. That means it have 144 have factor of 1, 2, 3 and 144. That means there is more than 2 factor. 1 is a factor, 144 is a factor. There also 2 also a factor, 3 also a factor. So 144 has what? More than 2 has a factor. So it is not prime number. Understand how I test about the prime number? Let's another example, 67. I have to find 67 is a prime or not. What is the first step? First step is, what is the first step? First step is root over of 67. Nearly root over of. We don't know root over of 67. So nearly root over 67 is what? 64. Root over is 8. Then I have to find less than equal to the 8 prime number. What? Less than equal to the 8 prime number. What are that? 1, 2, 3. 1 is a what? Special number. 2, 3 and what? 5, 7. We have to divide by using these all number with 67. 67 divide 2, not divisible. 67 divide 3 not divisible. 67 divide 5 not divisible. 67 divide 7 not divisible. These are not divisible any prime number, so it is a prime number. Understand? It is 67 is a prime number. Another step is so very simple to find prime number or not. Wait. Here is the shortcut trick for you. Always prime number, the square of prime number minus 1 is divisible by 24. Prime numbers, the square of prime number minus 1 is divisible by 24 without what? 2 and 3. Without 2 and 3, every prime number follow this rule. Then test 5 is a prime number or not. 5 square minus 1, 24. It is divisible of 24, so 5 is a prime number. Then go for second. 7 square minus 1, 49 minus 1, 48. So it is also be a divisible of 24, so 7 also a prime number. Every prime number follow this rule. Okay, then you can find is it a prime number or not. Then study twin prime number. What is the twin prime number? Two prime number of difference 2. That means, another way I can tell, two consecutive prime number. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means the difference of 2. Then in 1 to 100, these are the prime numbers. Then find which are two prime number have common difference 2. 3, 5. Another is 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 71, 73, or what? And 59, 61, and 5 and 7. If you count, then 8 twin prime number in between 1 to 100. You understand what is the twin prime number? Twin prime number means two prime number of difference 2. Then what is co-prime number? Co-prime number means any two prime number of HCF is 1. What is mean of HCF? You know, highest common factor is 1. You can know about how we determine HCM and LCM. I describe about the LCM and HCF in next class. Okay. Then two prime number 2 and 3. These are the two prime number and its HCF is 1. Then 2 and 5. These are the two prime number and its HCF is 1. 2 and 17. These are the two prime number and HCF is 1. So these all are what? Co-prime number. Co-prime number means two prime number of HCF is 1. Then go for triplets number. Triplets number means it obey Pythagoras law. We know according to the what triangle, right angle triangle, it is P, it is B, it is H. According to the Pythagoras law, H square equal to P square plus B square. If any 3 digit ABC obey Pythagoras law, that equal to A square plus B square equal to C square, then ABC 3 points are triplets of number. 3 square plus 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. That means 3, 4, 5 is the triplets number. Okay. Then go for simple basic things. 0 is even number. Okay. Odd plus or minus odd is always even. You can take example also. Even plus or minus even. Odd plus or minus even. Odd to the power even. Take a odd number. 3, power of even 2, what, 9. Or the even power of odd is always odd. Odd power of odd is always odd. 3 to the power 3, what, 27. This is odd, and this is also odd. Even power of even is always even. Odd power of even is always even. 2 to the power square equal to always 4. 2 to the power q is always 8. It is also even and it is also even. Okay. In also multiple case, odd into even, odd into odd, even into even. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. You can examine even and odd. I already described what is even and what is odd. Then go for numbers. If I say xy is a number, that means x is a digit, y also a digit. X is 10th digit and y is unit digit. Okay? Yes. Then if I say xyz, xyz is a number, then it is 100th digit, 100th place, it is 10th place, and it is what? Unit place. That means I can write that x into 100 plus y into 10 plus 2. Then example 5, 3, 4. That means 5 into 10 to the power square plus 3 into 10 plus 4. Okay? Understand? Then what is the face value? What is the place value? इसका मीन जातीय मान. What is face value means जातीय मान. Place value means स्थानीय मान. Okay. In 3845, I can write as this: 3 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 plus 5. 8 have face value. What? 8. But place value. Place value means 800. Face value means what is the value of it? Original value of it what? 8. Place value means at which position it is placed. According to its position, what is its value? That is 800. Okay. Here is a given number. We have to define its place value of every digit. It is the decimal, left of decimal. So the value of it is 3. Its value is 7 into 10. This value is 2 into 10 to the power 2. Here is right of the decimal, 4 into 10 to the power minus 1. 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. Left of the decimal, start from 10 to the power 0. This place is 10 to the power 0 and it is increases and it is decreases. According to left, it is increases. According to right, it is decreases. It is 10 to the power 0. It is 10 to the power 1. It is 10 to the power 2. It is 10 to the power minus 1. It is 10 to the power minus 2. It is 10 to the power minus 3. Then find what is the place value of this digit. It is homework for you. Okay. Now guys, it's time for short trick. Before class, I described how I can find the square of digit which unit digit is 5. This class we learn that what is the square of digit, square of digit 1. If there is only 1 in a number, then how can find the square, its square. 11 square is 1, 2, 1. Its square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How can it possible? Count the number of 1. There is 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Again counting reversely, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. What is its square? There is how many 1? 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How can I find a square? There is 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's our short trick. Then go for some questions. Then it is your first question. 3 to the power 193 plus 1 is prime number or not? 3 is an odd number. 193 also a odd number. The odd power of odd. What? Odd, always odd. Then it is odd. 5 also odd. Odd plus even. Then its solution be x and x also a even number. And we know without 2, there is no even number. There is no even number as prime number. If its solution is even number, is it prime or not? No, it is not prime number. Not prime. Understand? This is a give odd number. This is also odd number. Odd or plus even. No any even number can be a prime number. So it is not prime. This is not prime. Then go for second question. Sorry. Is it prime or not? I can write as this 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1. Okay, sorry. And it is, I can stand it 10 to the power 6 plus 1 to the power 6. Okay. Then I can write also this 10 to the power square q plus 1 to the power q. Then it is the formula of AQ plus BQ. I already described that. What is the formula of AQ, BQ? AQ plus BQ. What is the formula? A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. That means 100 square plus 1 into something. Then it is 101 something. Then the factor of 100,001 is 1. Also be a factor of it, and 101 also a factor of it, and this number also a factor of it. Okay. Then there is how many factor? There is 3 factor. If there is 3 factor, is it prime or composite? No, it is not prime. It is composite number. Understand? Prime or not? Understand? Then it's our end of section. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and waiting for next part. Thank you so much.